What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove and reinstall your oven stove door, any make or model. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. I do a lot of these household and automotive projects. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, no matter what kind of stove or oven you have, you're going to want to go ahead and open that door all the way. Now, why would you want to remove the door? Well, removing the door makes it a heck of a lot easier to clean inside the oven. It also makes it easier if you have to work on the parts back in the back, maybe the oven igniter, or to make moving it easier and lighter. And also maybe to get it through a small doorway because this handle juts out a bit. So we'll inspect our hinges. This is an older stove, but there's really only a few types of hinges. And this one doesn't have any hinge locks, but a lot of the newer ones have hinge lock clasps. So you're just going to go ahead and inspect it, and they'll have a little clasp you'll have to open to remove the door. I'll go ahead and put a couple pictures of the most common types of hinges right here and how that clasp opens and closes. So you see that hinge lock just opens and closes. You can do it with your fingers, and now if it's stuck, you can just use a flathead screwdriver to kind of start it and then finish it with your fingers. And you're just going to leave it in the open position, and then what you're going to do is you're going to close the door. Now we lift the door up, but we don't close it all the way. And then what we're going to do is with both hands pull straight upward. And then we can go ahead and remove our door, set that aside. Now you can see my hinges stay, but you may just have the hole right here and your hinge will be on the door. And some of them have a little notch, so what you're going to do is you're going to line up that notch. I'll put a picture, and you're going to line it up with the hole that it pulled out of. Now if you still have your owner's manual and can find it, there's also directions in there specific to each stove you have. Okay, so then to reinstall, we're just simply going to drop it in. Like I said, you're going to line up those little grooves with the hole, and then you're going to drop it back down, and that's when you're going to reverse the clasp process and just lock those clasps back in on each side. Then you can close the door. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.